katika jina la Yesu Kristo. Amjambo.
Hatujambo.
Amjambo tena.
Hatujambo.
I want to thank God. My name is Jael Ongasia Mlongo. Mimi ni sengea wa huyu mtoto mwenye nimebeba. Mimi si mama yake. So mimi kama auntie yake, I want to thank God for this wonderful gift to my brother and my beautiful sister-in-law there. So we just want to thank God because it's not obvious to have a baby. So yeah, it's a blessing and we really appreciate that to God. For the rest of the couples, like Harold and our brother here, I want to tell you congratulations and may God bless your babies. To my kuka, Rowan Hayes Mkolo, I just wish him good health, that he will grow in the ways of the Lord, and that God will provide resources to my brother and my sister-in-law to take care of him, and that he will make us proud as a family. Thank you.